Let's talk about some of the data challenges. So lack of standards, governance have led to sort of data silos. And in some cases, the data is just really hard to use. And we're struggling to make the data actionable. You know, where should we be looking at? I mean, it's not just a technology solution, I would assume, and it's not just a CMS government solution, and not just an internal data governance solution. Is this one of the things that's holding back Exponentials and really moving healthcare forward? Or
yeah, I mean, absolutely. We're in the fourth industrial age. Many other fields have accelerated, and again, we're still up and using fax machines. I think the news out this week from New Vermont was that CMS wants to get into fax machines by 2020. Oh, great. What about yesterday? Or the other news from the same week that we're doing this podcast is that what Salesforce and Amazon and a couple others, not Apple yet, are looking to do FHIR FHR standardization. But that's a huge issue, not with just data silos, but ways to access, to do normalization. I think the only metric that is normalized across the planet is INR for Coumadin, or measuring how thin your blood is. But many others are very different, and that creates challenges in normalizing that data and interpreting it with machine learning and AI. So, I know HIMSS and other conferences really look at that. There's still huge challenges there. I don't have the exact answer, but I think now we're seeing enough catalyzation and seeing the value of opening up portals and enabling data to flow. Hopefully, even the regulatory side. I think we love to hate HIPAA. It used to be about portability. Now it's almost all about privacy. And there's been many examples, and I've had clinical cases, including where the patient died with their privacy intact because you couldn't get their records released in the right timely manner. So I think we need to think, as things evolve, including on the FDA side, which they're doing with some very effective programs like the PreCheck program and, software as a medical device. Think about how we both regulate and catalyze information to flow, maintaining privacy, but catalyzing a bit of what I like to think is the crowdsourced future of medicine. Just like, 10 years ago, we were still driving with paper maps. Now you couldn't imagine driving without your Google Maps or Waze. And part of that is we're all sharing our data, sometimes whether we like it or not, and can build that traffic map. What if we could build some of those healthcare maps to know where the bad disease elements are, or a person with a certain phenotype or genetic subtype would require a different highway.